Okay.
Oh. Say hello?
He's trying not to say hello. God, these puppies are beautiful.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We work, Logan here works really hard with them. And
Is a boy?
Logan, show her what the mean one does.
Me?
Oh, yeah.
He's kind of a bully. You gotta see this. Oh, you gotta watch this
What
out.
does he do?
He's the dark one. I think it's him. You do it. See if he'll do it. Watch him. You act like you. Every time he'll do that. He's just like, it's like slow motion.
Oh my God. He's a big boy.
But he's just, he's kind of like a bully.
Is he?
Like he'll grab a hold of an ear and won't let go till, he'll start this madness
Really?
with an ear in his mouth. Yes, ma'am.
Why don't you take that one? Let her.
Alright. He's a big baby because whenever you put him up, he'll just sit there and squeal and shit.
We'll take it out.
Die, little boy. Little boy.
All right.
Tell me Charlie never did this. Never. You're the bully of the patch, huh?
Why do you say he's the bully of the pack?
He'll like grab onto
He'll grab a hold of an ear, and it doesn't matter whose ear he gets, but he will not let go.
Then he'll like pick on the other, he'll like start a fight.
Just say hello.
Oh.
Oh my God, he's so cute. Okay. All right. This is like fun.
Oh, yeah. That's what I was telling Gary.
Oh look, he's grabbed my hair.
I've gone and picked out my own puppy before and it never worked out, so I kind of stay out of it.
Cause you never know. Well, oh my God, Gary, can you?
Okay.
Here you go.
And how old is?
You're 6 weeks.
How old is she?
She's 3.
Isn't she beautiful?
Oh,
There we go. There we go. There's a boy too.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have what Connie told you to look for?
Yes, I haven't been doing. I've been doing it.
Okay.
All right, and so far, it's the females. Wish I had a toy.
Well, here. Well, here. Take this. Use this.
Honey who's dying. Oh my, who's crying?
He had a little squeaky duck in the house.
Can we use it? My God, they're so beautiful.
That's the black one.
Is he?
No, just wait.
Okay.
Man, this is not an easy thing. Look at
I shake him up in a sack. You know how quick students change.
Yeah, I know. Shake him up in a sack.
Hey, want to grab another
Can you tell I hate them?
Oh, Logan loves puppies.
Do you?
Cole, the older one, Cole's done with them. He's just like,
Is it hard to see him go?
Logan's like, well, what can I do to help you? And my older son upstairs, he's like, you need me to do anything? No, bub, you just stay out of it then. If it's that hard to even ask me, just don't worry about it.
Okay.
So you want to help her with another one?
Yeah. Oh my God.
So how much does the mother weigh?
She's about 60.
59.
She's not much
she's not
different
big.
than
That's
bigger
Otis.
than
That's Otis.
And then,
Nathan.
no, Nate's, about 75.
He was.
He's
Look
not.
at. I've
He's
never seen him in person, Gary. I've never seen Nathan in
I
person.
thought he
Oh,
was.
he's a nice animal. I mean, he's put together and he's a powerhouse.
Yeah. Well, we've seen him on video.
And it kills me that he can, because the field trials are hard. You know, it's an intense thing, and it just kills me that he can go to that and then step back and do this obedience thing. It's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like
Wow.
an off and on thing. You know what I mean? Because field trials are just wide open.
Two different disciplines.
Oh yes.
So you think this one's the most reticent one?
Yes, ma'am.
And of course, this is the one I like.
But
need.
you know, you don't really want one howling. See, like what I do is like, you know, I want those ones that are spinning in circles. I want that outlaw, and that's, you know, completely opposite from what you probably want. You want something that's going to listen and be with you.
That's
Shut
right.
that door a little bit low, so that little black one. I know it's a little black one.
And which one is this?
Yellow female. She's a little white one. She's lighter than everyone else. So your male dog is he? So he's just with other dogs.
Yeah. And that's we have a challenge there.
But we're gonna do it.
But like I say, I've got a couple females that I really won't let around the puppies, and I've got two that I'll just let with other people, with other litters. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like this one on the end, I'll let her out, and she'll sit out here and roll around with them and everything else.
Mm-hmm.
And another one in there, she's good. I think she would whelp another female's puppies. I know she would raise them. Yes. This was Daisy's first litter, and she did really, really good with them.
This is her first litter.
This is her first litter, and she did really, really good with them.
You silly girl. You're silly.
So what time did you say you got to fight back? 6?
Well, no.
Do you know yet?
It's out of Louisville. If we go to there, it's
Did you get her? honey?
541, which is 441.
441, okay.
Gary,
And
did you get her?
I've been recording Penny nonstop. So it's
Doing my
about 2
shoelace.
hours from here, right?
Yeah.
So you know.
2 solid hours.
No. You can. You know, you can push it, make it, you know, an hour and 30 minutes, but it's
Oh.
so just allow 2 hours. Just allow.
Yeah,
two.
and
but it's just straight. I mean, it's
Is
just
the airport closer to the? I mean, is it right off 65?
Yes.
Oh, then or we can go out of Nashville, but there's only one seat
I remember you
available.
saying that.
And
We might not get on it.
we might-
Well, I remember. Well, that's what you said too. You might.
We
say,
could get
have you
on
ever been to
up there.
Nashville? You ever been to Nashville? Oh, you know, it's a nice town.
yeah.
I mean, it's not. You know.
Well, I mean, Penny hasn't. I've been through it. Not, I mean, I've
Okay.
been a long time. But what would if we end up spending the night? There's a
I'm
lot to
almost
do.
done. I just got a
There
couple
he
more
is.
minutes. I got to go through the rest of them.
There really is. You know, I mean, it's a nice, like, downtown and stuff. It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
You know, pretty controlled. Like, our older son, Cole, when he was, you know, 9 or 10, we take it, 2nd Avenue is downtown. And we take him downtown, you know what I mean,
Mm-hmm.
walk around, and he could go into bars till like 9 o'clock to listen to music. He loved
Right.
that.
And there's a lot of good music down there.
Oh, there he is. I mean, it really is. It's fun. It's a fun town, you know. And then, like I say, Louisville, we don't go to Louisville a lot, but we do.
Mm-hmm.
But like I say, it's not a bad drive either, because it's just straight 65. You can run,
Yeah.
you know, you can run 75,
And
80
it's not
the whole
bad
way.
road.
This is the bully.
No, 65 is not. You know, it's, you know, there should be just a little construction. It's only probably about 5 or 6 miles,
Right.
because they redid it and it's all 6 lane now from Franklin all the way to Louisville.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Take
We left our keys over there.
No,
Hopefully
I'm gonna go play with them. Just gotta have a few more minutes. They're
Take all the time in your work.